AppBot is more than a toy or a project. It's an educational movement. We've created an interactive online space called the AppBot Developers Community. In it, you'll have access to all of the materials you need, the latest updates, and the ability to interact with fellow AppBot users from around the world. You can share your stories, your modifications, your latest AppBot sequences, pictures, videos, and other ideas to improve your experience. The AppBot is made to be innovated. This community will help you do that. After purchasing your AppBot kit, you should receive an invitation email from the AppBot Developers Community. Make sure to check your spam folder. Once you sign up and sign it, you'll have access to all of the tools available to you through this portal. Stay on the lookout for updates and new content. Interact with your colleagues and show off your work. Ask questions and get valuable information about your AppBot. Stay tuned for AppBot showcases and design competitions. As an AppBot customer, you also get access to Fusion 360 from Autodesk and 12 hours of certified training on their industry-accepted CAD platform. Use this to further enhance your AppBot and your knowledge. We at Morningbird Space Corporation would like to thank you for your purchase of the AppBot educational platform. We are proud to offer this product to you and hope this is the beginning of a powerful STEM learning experience and an open door to creativity and innovation for you. Enjoy!